Hi guys, how's it going? Jason Digos here from Modus. And today I'd like to talk to you about our brand new AIM-10 source unit. So the Modus AIM-10 is really unique in the fact that it's a modular head unit. So the screen is separate from the chassis. Now it could be mounted together, we do give you that option, but one of the really cool advantages, it is modular. The other really cool advantage that we have for you custom installers out there is we will provide you with all the CAD info that you need to make a custom mount. So from the bracket assembly, if you're going to customize that, we'll give you the mounting hole patterns in CAD and also the perimeter drawing for that, so you could custom flush mount it, 3D print. So all the really cool things to make that custom install really nice. The other really cool thing, obviously, is we've got wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM ready, so you just plug that Sirius XM tuner in, compatible with iDataLink Maestro, 8-channel preamp output. And that's really cool because now you could just go straight into an amplifier and do a fully active front stage. Full complement of 15-band EQ, time alignment, and crossovers for all outputs. Dual USB-C, 4 camera inputs that are also AHD compatible. The other really cool thing for that custom application is we have 4 negative trigger outputs that are all customizable in the screen. You could have latched output, momentary, or even timed output. So this is all really cool in a modular chassis with a shallow single DIN module that can be mounted almost anywhere. It does come with an 18-inch USB-C cable that connects between the monitor and the chassis, and we will have longer applications available in the future. And here's another really cool feature. You'll notice that on the AIM-10, the button cluster is physically attached to the screen, but it is removable. So you can remove 2 screws and remove that button cluster and have a flush mount look. And we will be updating the user interface to accommodate for that. So if you decide not to use a button cluster, we'll have on-screen volume control when you remove that. So be on the lookout for that. If you're getting an AIM-10 in and you want to do a modular install with the flush mount screen, we will have that software update available. So all Modus head units are feature packed. We have a 7-inch double DIN, this 10-inch modular unit, a 12 and a 15. For more information on those, be sure you visit our website at modusglobal.com. I'm Jason Digos from Modus. We'll catch you on the next one.